Latest research and development. 1. New hope for life on Mars. Study finds elusive conditions for liquid water still exist. Research into brines suggests that frost-covered regions are the most promising candidates for future Martian habitability and astrobiological exploration. 2. Cosmic death spiral. Astronomers catch planet in final orbit before destruction. A team of astronomers led by Macquarie University has monitored the orbital decay of an extreme exoplanet to gain new insights into how stars dissipate energy. 3. They changed one molecule and transformed the future of vaccines. In a surprising twist, scientists used a century-old chemistry trick to dramatically upgrade mRNA vaccine delivery. 4. AI decodes the secret language of your gut bacteria. A neural network analyzes an extensive gut microbiome dataset to uncover insights into human health. 5. Do depression supplements actually work? Scientists analyze 64 popular products. A sweeping review of clinical trials uncovered 64 OTC products studied for depression, with only a handful showing consistent promise. 6. Scientists use cryptography to unlock secrets of quantum advantage. Researchers use cryptography to gain insights into the mechanisms behind quantum speed-ups. 7. Aluminium-20, the self-destructing atom scientists never saw coming. Physicists have discovered a never-before-seen atomic nucleus, aluminium-20, that quite literally falls apart in 3 distinct proton bursts. 8. The universe's most elusive particles might be talking to themselves. Collapsing stars might act as cosmic laboratories for discovering hidden neutrino interactions. 9. These Aussie lizards have secret armor, and scientists just found it. Beneath the scales of Australia's iconic monitor lizards lies a secret no one expected, bony armor hidden in their skin. 10. This 500-million-year-old sea creature had a brain like a spider. An exquisitely preserved fossil from 500 million years ago has turned our understanding of spider evolution upside down. 11. Your DNA is full of ancient viruses, and they're running the show. For years, scientists thought certain parts of our DNA were useless, leftovers from ancient viruses that served no purpose. But a new international study has flipped that idea on its head. 12. Eating more protein could protect you from common semaglutide side effect. Women and older adults using semaglutide, a popular anti-obesity medication, may face a heightened risk of muscle loss. 13. Can your DNA predict your weight years before you gain it? A groundbreaking new study has revealed that your DNA may predict whether you're likely to develop obesity years before symptoms emerge. 14. One jab, 72% fewer sick babies. A single shot during pregnancy is proving to be a powerful shield for newborns against one of the most common and dangerous viruses for infants, RSV. Thanks for watching this video.